child is put to bed this instant. केजिया की मदर बोली कि जाओ, ये नहीं कह रही है ना, जाओ अभी इसी वक्त जाओ, go and see into the room that each and everything had been torn by that child. कहीं कि जाओ अभी इसी क्षण जाओ और देखो कि उस बच्ची ने इस पूरे पेपर को फाड़ दिया है या नहीं, और कैसे बिखेर के रखा है. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. And after that, though here is not mentioned, but I am telling that that little kid was beaten sharply and roughly by her father. उसके बाद उसके पापा जो है उसे बहुत मारते हैं, पीटते हैं, एकदम चोटिल हो जाती है बच्ची, दुखी हो जाती है. तब कह रहा है कि trying too much to explain means when father was beating, she was trying to explain that father, it was for you, I have prepared for your birthday, for your surprise, all things were being tried to be explained by the केजिया. बेटा 149 के भी है, अब मैं क्या करूं. She lay in the shadow and after being beaten roughly, she was now lying in the room. एक रूम में बंद पड़ी हुई थी चोटिल होकर के बेचारी. Light make a sad little pattern on the floor. और उसके बाद उसी फ्लोर पे पड़ी हुई थी और उसके परछाई जो थी उस फ्लोर पे थी, और चुपचाप वह बच्ची पड़ी हुई थी जो कि बुरी तरह से उसके पापा द्वारा पीटी जा चुकी थी. उसके पापा ने उसे पीटा था. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. I am going to put you for this, he said. Oh no, she screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. He pulled them aside. Sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. Father came by taking stick. Ruler or stick means which ruler stick. And father came with ruler or stick near to Kejiya and said that he was going to beat. Kejiya was trying to avoid her beating by saying no, sorry, trying to hide in the bedsheet. Father pulled those bedsheets aside and started to beat Kejiya. But it was for your birthday. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Down came means on her pink palm means हथेली. उसके हाथ पे जो था डंडा गिर पड़ा, यानी उसे डंडे की चोट लगी, वह मार खाने लगी. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. Clung to का मतलब है एकदम चिपक जाना. Means after one being beaten by Kejiya, when grandmother came to know, she ran towards the Kejiya to save her. But till that time, she had been beaten by her father sharply. Then grandmother took Kejiya into her lap, carried her into her room, and by taking in lap, she sat there in her room for a long time. And Kejiya, being beaten sharply, was sorrowful, and she was clung with the grandmother. Clung means एकदम गोद में चिपक के सटक के बैठ जाना. So Kejiya जो थी एकदम चिपक कर बैठी हुई थी, उदास सी वह बच्ची. What did God make fathers for? She sobbed means इसकी लेना, रोते हुए, weeping. Kejiya inquired of grandmother, what God made father for. वो पूछी कि ऐसे पापा क्यों भगवान ने बनाए, क्या पापा इसी के लिए बनाते हैं भगवान. Here is a clean hanky darling, blow your nose, go to sleep pet. You all forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. After hearing the argument from the side of Kejiya, grandmother tried to tell her that Kejiya beta, go and sleep. In morning, up to morning, you will forget each and everything. And further, grandmother told her that she tried to explain before father, but he was so upset that he was not ready to hear little bit thing about from the side of the grandmother. But the child never forgot. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and a red color flew into her cheeks. Red color flew means दिखाई दिया, into her cheeks. Cheeks means गाल. तो कह रहे हैं this passage is saying that So one next day, when in morning that child woke up, till she had not forgotten her beating by her father. And more than this, when she saw her father, she put her both hands just her behind with the purpose to hide them, and the marks or scars of the beating on her cheeks could be seen till the next morning. In such way, she had been beaten by her father. The McDonalds lived next door. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. Tag is a type of game. The father with the baby Mao on his shoulders, 2 little girls hanging on to his coat pockets, ran round and round the flower beds, shaking with laughter. Once he saw the boys turn the hose on him, and he tried to catch them, laughing all the time. There was other family living just front of the Kejia's home, and when father was on office, Kejia was looking into that house in the garden, and she found that the father and his child, not child but children, were playing with the father, and father was trying to make play them. पापा और बच्चे जो थे वो सामने वाले खेल रहे थे, फादर उन्हें खिला रहा था, पकड़ रहे थे, छिप रहे थे एक दूसरे के साथ. और such was the same longing of the Kejia in her heart, but that was not possible to be filled up by her parents. Then it was she decided there were different sorts of father. Then Kejia came to know or realized that fathers are also of different kinds. Then Kejia realized, से लगा कि fathers जो थे वे different kind के अलग अलग होते हैं, कुछ गुस्से वाले हैं, कुछ अच्छे होते हैं. Suddenly one day mother became ill and she and grandmother went to hospital. Suddenly what happened? Mummy, the mother of the Kejia, fell ill, and grandmother carried the mother of Kejia to the hospital. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice, the cook. Alice was the cook in the house of Kejia. Little girl was left in the home while the mother and grandmother was going to hospital. At that moment, Kejia was left there only on the responsibility of the Alice cook. That was all right in the daytime, and that was the good time for the Kejia. But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. लेकिन एलिस क्या की, वह जब सोने का टाइम हुआ, केजिया को सुलाने लगी, तब केजिया डर के मारे सिहर गई. उसके मन में एक डर आ गया. ओके बेटा.